Hey, what's up? It's Glitter, and I decided I would come outside because people are shooting fireworks just across the street. I will point the camera up to let you see. Someone texted me. Who was it? I just love fireworks. Like, yeah, I had my puppy out here, Sprinkles. I named her Sprinkles, and she did not like it at all. My dog Izzy, she does not like it at all either. But yeah, I thought I love the people who do it, like because it's only the 2nd of July, so yeah, it's like really and there's like frogs and all sorts of animals over here at my yard. So we're gonna spam someone with dots. Here we go. Um, yeah, like if it's not Halloween because I really like Halloween, then yeah, like I really like Halloween. I like Halloween and 4th of July, so yeah. I just like they do it every year, and I just wanted to record it because I really like fireworks. Ooh! Yeah, did you see that? I don't think you did, but I literally me and the person, like we we usually we haven't done it this year. I mean, a couple years because we've been at Abby's doing it. We always do our things, but this year we're staying home. Yeah, this year we're gonna stay home, and we usually when we stay home, me and the next door people that are usually doing it that you can see, they are me and them have like me and my brother, and then them. We have a firework war, and they usually win. There's an airplane. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's really like fun to sit out here. And yeah. Oh. Ah! Like all my dogs inside, my grandma's dogs inside, they're like freaking out. I think there's gonna be another one. Oh, yep. Yeah, I think I'm the only one that just comes before 4th of July and sits outside. It's really fun. I sit on my ramp. I have a ramp and just sit here. But this is the first time I've ever sat up here and done a video, including all the creatures that are here. You know, that's a car, right? don't know what that was. I want to catch a firefly. Yeah, they go all around me. I'm just waiting for another one. Abby! Oh, it was not Abby. It wasn't Abby. Sorry, Abby. Yeah. Yeah, usually on the 4th of July, I come outside, watch the fireworks, and just have a good time by myself. Are they gonna do any more? Okay. For the people, so my house is behind me, and so if I'm facing my driveway or something like that, and there's fireworks going in front of me on my left, and I can hear them on that side. Oh, that was cool. I enjoy fireworks. Enjoy. I would show you those, but there's trees in the way, so I can barely even see them myself. So that's very loud. Oh my god. So I don't care if you're I don't care if we're not dating or something. I want to have go hang out or something or have a date somewhere. I just want to have it lay underneath the stars. That's what I do. I that's like that's I've always wanted to do that, but no one's done it. It's sad. Okay, I'm gonna get to another part. Where? Oh wait. Oh, that was cool. Or usually, when we end the fireworks show, because it's usually us and the people that we go against, we usually go out. Oh, that one was nice. Sorry, I could. Oh wait. We usually go out of our yard, and that we meet in the middle of the yard road. It's a flying cockroach by me. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. I don't like bugs. That's okay. We usually go in the middle of the road and we say, we shake hands or say awesome fight or something like that. So let me get to a different one. Oh my god, here's another one. They probably can't hear me, but that's okay. Oh my god, so on the 4th of July, I'm not going to be able to take my, laptop because I record off my laptop. But, I want to... Nice! Amazing! Great job! I usually, we're going to see the fireworks show where we live, and it's, really cool. We do that, every year. And they have, really good ones. One time almost got hit by one. I did get hit by one. That's okay. Oh my god, here's another one. I can see it, over there. Sparkling! Oh my god, there's a firework called Girl's Best Friend, and I usually get it every single time. So yeah. Oh my god, here's another one. They can't hear me clap, but I don't care. We usually do our fireworks in the middle of our yard. Oh, another one. That's pretty. Woo! I just love fireworks. Oh my god, I have a story for you. So, it was one time, it was me and my brother. We were shooting off daytime fireworks. And you know those little bees you get? And that's just a flag, okay? Don't be creeped out. And we had those little bees, okay? And I was sitting here. Let me show you. Let me right here, because I am on the step. I was right here, okay? Where's the step? Where am I? Oh, right here. Okay, there's our step, and I was sitting right there. My brother was sitting over there on there, and I was like, ooh, and I didn't know what the bees did, and it was my first time, and I had pajama pants on, my favorite pajama pants on, okay, and I didn't know what it did, and it and then kind of like that, what the bee does, and it burnt a hole in my pajama pants. I cried, of course. It was 2 years ago. Yeah, it was awful. Oh, I didn't. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. That was my fault that you didn't see it. There we go. Just go up more. Up. Sideways. But yeah, it was awful. So. I like the smoke grenades and the smoke bombs. Yeah. They're it's amazing over here. Only if you guys could share it with me. But I know I want to take Abby to the fireworks show with me, like we did last time. But we did do it last time, didn't we, Abby? Oh. Yes. Okay. Well, guys, I think that's the end of My favorite firework thingies. They did a great job. They'll probably have more. I'm like waiting and waiting for them to like do one more at least. But I guess not. I will see you tomorrow. And yeah. Good damn. Bye.